AutoTextMe and TireShop users can choose to have full appointment sync within AutoTextMe and TireShop. In order to have your appointment show up in AutoTextMe, simply make the appointment in TireShop as you normally would. We'll go back to another day here. We'll choose Saturday the 26th. We're going to add our appointment, choose the name of our customer, select a vehicle, even choose your status for that appointment, and hit save. Upon confirmation, you'll hear a text message will happen for your customer. And immediately in AutoTextMe, you'll see that there's now an appointment in the Future Scheduled Appointments tab. This appointment will actually merge onto the main active dashboard when the day of the appointment arrives. And when ready, all you do is hit check-in, and that customer will be active on your board, ready for their vehicle inspection.